Hello everyone, thank you so much for watching. Before you do anything else, go ahead and like and subscribe and activate those notifications by clicking on the bell icon below. So I love to paint on denim simply because I've run out of wall space for paintings. And I don't know, I think it's fun to wear like customized one-of-a-kind pieces, and I have this thing that I've done with the smiley face and the X's, like I did both of these sleeves. But I've done it so much that I feel like, okay, this needs to evolve. I'm like, what else can I turn this smiley face on? Because I did, first of all, it was just a smiley face. And then I turned it into a flower, which you see here. I'm like, what can I do next? So I thought, let's turn it into a teddy bear. So my brother had these old shirts he used for welding, and he wasn't using them anymore, so I decided to transform them with these teddy bears. Oh, you can't see it. But it's the same thing, the same smiley faces and such. You can't see it. Well, anyway, let me show you here. It's a teddy bear, and I put the smiley faces where the hands would go, did the X's for the eyes, and then added the little flower. So I took the smiley face and the flower and then turned it into a teddy bear, which I think looks kind of cool. You know, the X's, I was inspired by the sculptures and the work paintings of KAWS, as you see here in this image. I was also inspired for the teddy bears by Moschino. You know how Moschino did a lot of things with teddy bears? I love everything Moschino. One day my closet will be full of Moschino. But in the meantime, I create my own. And someone told me, well, you know what? That smiley face looks like the Blink-182 logo. I'm like, what? Does it really? So I looked it up, and it does. But I had forgotten about the Blink-182. Whatever happened to them? Great music they have. Well, anyway, I made it my own now. So today I'm going to show you how to draw this teddy bear. That way you can put it on a shirt, a jacket, what have you. So grab your pencils. I'm going to use a Sharpie. There's nothing that excites me more than new Sharpies. And it's super easy to do, so easy. So if you don't know how to draw a perfect circle, you can use slids or anything circular. That way you can trace. Okay, like right here we're going to do the part where its mouth goes. So if you didn't know how to draw a perfect circle, you could do that. And I messed it up because that's not even straight. But we'll fix it later. This is where the mouth is going to go. You'll draw almost like a triangle for the little nose, and then bring it down and over for the mouth. And then you're going to draw a smiley face underneath here. Now keep on extending it on each side. And then right here we're going to go out to make the ears. And then you connect these two. And then the inside of the ear, just like that. On each side. I'm not going to draw the eyes yet, but it's just an X. So for the two hands, you're going to draw 2 circles on each side. 1 circle, 2 circles, and then you connect to here. And then 2 ovals for the legs. And connect these. Now before I add what's next, I'm going to color it because markers tend to smear the black, so I want to hold off and use it at the end. And I'll be using these Crayola Colors of the World markers, so I'm going to do the teddy bear with these markers. Then I'll be back. Alright, so I've colored it. I should have done this flower bigger because I think it's too small. And then I added some hearts for the feet. I guess these would be like the toes and then the heel type thing. I think. I don't know what the bottom of a bear's foot looks like. So here we're going to add the smiley faces. So you can just add the X's. can make it sad if you want to, sideways. Add one to this one. For the eyes. And now I'm going to retrace everything, make the lines thicker so it looks better, and then I'll be back. So I am done. I actually used paint for the X's just because I wanted them really thick. So if you wanted to do this on fabric like I did here, this is what it looks underneath, like it doesn't even see through. You cut out the bear and you make a stencil out of it. And then you put it on wherever it is that you want to paint it, trace it, remove it, and then add a layer of Liquitex acrylic medium gesso. And all you need is one layer unless you want something white, then you'll have to add 2 layers. That way it's completely white, because otherwise you can see the color of the garment come through with 1 layer. And after it's dry, then you can paint with acrylic paint, and it's very durable. It's even machine washable. But just make sure it's Liquitex, because I've tried other type of gessos and they're not machine washable, so it ruins everything. And this one I come to trust in the washer and dryer. Well, anyway, that is all for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. It's very simple to work on fabric. Like I said, just make sure you're using Liquitex gesso. This should be sponsored by Liquitex. Make sure to subscribe, activate those notifications, and that's it for today. That was super easy, super simple, and until next time, watch all the other content in my channel. Adios y bye.